How to add friends at Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram and now wondering on how to add friends on it, don't worry, in today's video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home page. Now tap onto contacts at the bottom right here. Select it. Then here you can find the friends that you have added. Now to add another friend, simply tap onto plus option right here. Select it. Then add the mobile phone number of your friend just like this and add their name. Just like this, and simply tap on to create. And that's it. This is how you can add friends at Telegram. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.